This year now all about survival.
Even small savings self person never.
Wait till you want save. The person they see money, they save money.
God.
If you survive, I tell you, now plus. Oh, I mean, we can answer this. Hello? Oh, you dey gate now? Okay, they come. We might pick something.
Yeah, I did.
Nah, bro.
Ah. What you carry?
No reason now. I just want something where I want that from Jumia. The guy just deliver them.
Why you tell me say you not even 17 this year?
Just 250,000. Waiting man go do. I want one key person. Nah, no reason now. Not to survive this year, but later they come. Which they worry all the. You are very stupid.
Why they para like this morning?
Guy, imagine the nonsense. They give this guy 15 million, make him pay into my account. He go pay 14.9 million. Get mine, they tell me.
14.9 million.
My small business, what I do. What's man go do? I want to keep person. You see money, you don't see money chop. I dey come first.
Guy, how far? Where they go this morning?
Nah, I forget to tell you. I dey move out now.
You did move out?
Go around small place where I rent house. What's man go do? He say we be like nonsense.
How many bedroom flat, guy?
On a small duplex, so no be any much thing.
Duplex, guy. And they complacing nothing there.
This is all about survival. If you survive this year, you guys go do Thanksgiving. I just survival, nothing else.
Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam.